Remove the battery pack and secure the battery compartment cover in the open position. Use a H5 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the seat assembly. Pull the seat assembly back and remove it. Peel off the front right guard sticker. Use a PH2 bit to remove the 7 screws securing the upper right guard. Use a 10mm socket to remove the 6 screws securing the bottom cover. Use a H5 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the storage compartment lid. Close the hinge and use a 10mm socket and a PH2 bit to remove the 16 screws around the storage compartment. Peel off the front left guard sticker and remove the upper left guard, similar steps to removing the right guard. Remove the left outer cover and use a PH2 and M10 socket to remove the 9 screws securing the left in cover. Remove the cable tie and storage compartment. Use a H5 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the lock plate. Replace it with a new storage compartment and tighten the 2 screws to secure the lock plate. Mount the storage compartment in place, ensuring the seat cushion lock is in the middle of the bidirectional lock plate. Check the lock for proper function. Tighten the storage compartment with 16 screws. Mount the cable tie and tighten with the screw. Tighten the compartment lid with 2 screws. Ensure the 4 clamp plates are properly mounted on the left inner cover. Tighten the 10 screws to secure the left inner cover. Tighten the 6 screws to secure the bottom cover. Tighten the 7 screws to secure the upper left guard and follow the same steps to secure the upper right guard. Reapply or replace the stickers. Tighten the 2 screws to secure the seat assembly. Close the battery compartment cover.